Oh my gosh. To reset it again. Oh. There. There. Go, go, go. Meow, 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 meow. Go, go, go. Get there. That looks so much better. But after this, I'm gonna do something cool. The reason I'm using this is because, see, I'm making like a different thing. You'll see at the end. Guess what JJK image I'm trying to make. I'll say it at the end of the video, but you can't cheat. Okay? You can't cheat, please. Don't cheat. Let's go. Let's go. Now red. Oh no, not the shrine. Oh no. Alright guys, you caught me. It's Sakuna and Yuji. I'm making like a JJK image for you can copy it as your wallpaper. There. Wait, let me make the Sakuna shrine bigger. I think that looks cool because look, it has effects. Now for the last thing, Sakuna and Yuji. Bro, I literally missed so many times. Okay, I'm done. Save and share. Okay, let me let you see this. Okay, now this is the end of the video. I just wanted to make you a wallpaper for Sakuna and Yuji. So, bye. Bye.